everyone, today we're going to paint two lovely cartoonish cats, okay? Let's start. I hope you like it. Today's color we need white, black, red, yellow, brown, okay? Let's start prepare our paper. Still, we want to do it light gray, okay? Just put a lot of white and touch bit black in to make light gray. And find a big brush as possible. That's fast, okay? And just move up and down and cover the whole page and wait until it's dry, okay? Alright, here's all dried, and find a pencil and then you can just sketch out the two cats, okay? And it's okay, you don't do it exactly, it's fine. Later on we're going to put a color to cover it, okay? Just draw where the cat is. That's it, okay? So just let yourself know where everything is. There we go, there's arms, okay? Just take your time to do it, and you can pause the video, okay? Until you're done for the next step. Are you excited to start doing the cat? Alright, let's draw the tail and then we'll start. Alright, here we get the black and white color. We're doing the gray cat first, okay? Find a brush that's flat, like this one I have, okay? So you put it tipped sideways and then you can make smaller lines. And then I think the color is too dark. You see, I go back and get some white color mixed in, and then that color is perfect, okay? So just follow the shape you have draw the cat, and that's all. And just be careful the ear, leave some white part for inside ear, okay? And just cover the back cat as gray color. Yeah, just do that and slowly on the edges. Be careful, and because you wanted to run the head, okay? And also the body, yeah, put some color here. Yeah, there we go, the arm and the body here on the bottom. I leave some part there that's later on we'll put white color, okay? And then the tail still doing the same gray color, okay? See here, I put some white for the tummy, a little bit lighter for the front of the body, okay? And it's okay, leave it this way. We're going to add color in later on. Just color it the first layer of the color, okay? Just pay attention here. I concentrate on the gray one more, and later on the brown cat is basically doing the same thing, just repeating, okay, with different colors. So here I'm doing the brown. Using the same brush is fine, but you can wash the brush first before you mix the color. I think I did not wash it, so the color comes a little dark. And then I'll add in a little bit red, okay? You see, I don't like that color. So it's fine. Learn how to mix color, okay? So I add in touch bit red. You see the color become more orange, okay? There we go. I like this one. We go with this color, okay? And if you not sure about the color, and wash your brush each time you want to change a different color, okay? And dry the brush, remember, alright? So here I add more and then makes more color. Do the same thing, just color the first layer of the cat with dark orange, okay? Yeah, we touched a bit brown in it before, so it's okay, you can mix the color, try it. And no problem if you make mistake, okay? You can just cover it, no problem. There we go, color all the front cat. And let's make some light color, okay? You see, because our brush have this color, and then I don't want to switch back to the gray one first. And then I just add a little white on my brush, and I make the face lighter, okay? Yeah, there we go. Put some light in front of the cat face. Like that. Follow the shape, okay? Make a circle. And Now you see I did not wash my brush because our color already light, very light on the brush. So now I just go back and put some totally white color. I cover the cat's ear for inside, okay? You see? Yeah. I remember I leave the spot, okay? There we go. And because we have a white, and then we're going to add the cat's tummy also have the white color, okay? Yeah, try to do the same color in the similar time. And then see, everything white is done. And then here I'm going to do the nose, where the cat had the nose part is also white. And then draw a circle. You can make a smaller circle and then later on and put more paint to circle to make the circle perfect, okay, to fix it. So don't draw too big in the beginning, okay? Yeah. And you see, now I go back and get some dark color because our brush have a white color in, and then the dark color become dark gray, okay? That's perfect for the cat's shadows, okay? See, now I put some shadows on the back of the body, and then on the butt here on the bottom, and then little bit more dark. So you need to go back and forth, get either lighter gray or dark gray. On the outside edge is dark, okay? And inside it will be a little bit lighter. All right, there we go. And when you want to do the edge, and then turn your brush sideways, okay? That way you can do very thin lines. And then remember, put your brush, make it really flat, put a lot of paint on. See here, I want to draw the 3 lines on the head, okay? And then you see I just move my brush sideways and to get the center lines, okay? Or you can change a brush if here is too thick. It's no problem, okay? Yeah, you see I always put it on my dish to make thinner. The brush very flat. That way you can do very thin line. Let me show you, you change to a smaller brush will be much easier, okay? See, I shape up the cat's arm. And then I put the 3 lines, you see? And then very gentle, you use only the tip of the brush to draw lines, okay? And then we shape up everything with the center brush, all right? There we go, you see? The tail is ready. So just practice using the brush, okay? Yeah, it depends on how hard you push the brush. So you can draw very thin lines with a very gentle touch, all right? There we go. This part, practice a little more, okay? It's fine if you make mistake. It's just using the same color as the other inside or outside color to cover it. No problem at all. And then we're going to use the same color also shape up the front cat, okay? The same thing. Here, I can go a little faster, but you can wash again, no problem, okay? So just keep practicing and you can control your brush, all right? There we go, you see? And then when you shape up, everything clear, all right? There we go. You see that? Yeah, take a little time. Paint, no need to rush, okay? Take your time to finish. Alright, here pay attention. I'm going to do the face and the eyes and nose, mouth that are very important for how the cat looks, okay? So here, the back cat, I put a 2. The eyes are long, okay? It make like a oval, long oval, okay? So pay attention and you can watch many times as possible when you can do it, okay? And the nose is very easy, just a dot, a black dot, okay? So And this cat in front, it can look up to the other gray cat, okay? So we put the eyes like this, look up. And then just make 2 black circles. And later on, we're going to put a light in, and then you will see the change, okay? And then the nose here, it can flat, and then you can show the mouth on the bottom one, okay? And later on, we'll add red color in for the lips. And here we draw a few whiskers. When you do the whisker, can press a little hard in the beginning and then lift your brush to the end, okay? So that way you can get a hair looking, okay? There, you see I put some shadows. I put some shadows on the arm, okay? On the face. So just watch carefully where I put a dark color, where I put a light color. This part, it can repeating, okay? So I go a little fast, but you still can see all the steps, what I have done to make the shadow, okay? There, I also put some lines on the cat face, all right? And then we're going to put some shadows here on the front cat. Just remember, it goes lighter and lighter, the shadows. Don't just put the same color, okay? And you see, I put a half, and they are lighter, okay? And then the other outside edge is darker, all right? And then we make some dark brown color for the brown cat, okay? Yeah, there we go. You see, I put 3 lines on the body. These little details, take your time to do it, alright? And then I change a little bit color on the face because I think it's too dark, okay? No problem, alright? So now I'm going to do the eye here. I'm going to shape up a little bit before I'm lighting up, okay? Just fix the circle a little bit. Like I said, draw small, and then you can just fix the edge little by little by push the paint out a little bit. And here I think the mouth need to be a little bit bigger on the bottom cat, okay? Just add a little color and go out a little bit. And then the gray cat, we put 2 dots on the top of his eye and put a little bit light into the ears, alright? Here, pay attention. We're going to do a very important step so that you will learn in the future, okay? You put highlight, and you see I put 2 dots. Very gentle touch, just need a little bit, okay? And now I go on the eyeball edge, and then I just put a little color, little white color. Follow the shape of the eyes, okay? Just gently touch. You see, I almost did not put any color in. But it's okay, you keep trying to put it very gentle. And then you see the eyes become live, okay? It's very important step here. I also did on the top cat. And then here we fit up the mouth for, yeah, the red color. And you see our picture look much clearer, okay? So with a little shadow, little highlight, bring it alive, okay? Just take a little time to practice and sign your name. We're done for today. Thank you for watching. I hope you like it. Subscribe my channel. I would like to see you next video, alright? Thank you. Bye-bye.